Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about statements and reasons. When given a diagram, we should mark up the diagram and write a statement and give the reason using vocabulary. So let's take a look at the first one. Given C is the midpoint of AB. Notice I see the word midpoint. I'm going to circle it and I'm going to write the definition as my reason. But my statement is the conclusion based off of the given. So if C is the midpoint, AC is congruent to BC. That's going to be my statement. And my reason is the definition of midpoint. A midpoint creates two congruent parts. Again, don't forget to circle keywords, write those definitions down for your reasons, and mark up your diagram. Let's look at number 2. CD is perpendicular to AB. So there's no word or no vocabulary word here, but I do have a symbol which means perpendicular. So I should be thinking about what the definition of perpendicular is. So I see here that if CD is perpendicular to AB, I'm going to write a 1 and a 2 in for my angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent. And my reason is perpendicular lines create two congruent 90-degree angles. Again, that vocabulary word of perpendicular is my reason. Let's look at the next example. Given BD bisects angle ABC. So I see the word bisects, create two congruent parts. I know that's going to be my reason. If BD is bisecting angle ABC, that angle is being cut into two congruent parts. So I'm going to put label 1 and 2 in my diagram. So my statement's going to be angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. And my reason's going to be the definition of a bisector. A bisector creates two congruent parts. Next, I have given two intersecting segments. So notice for this question, I see an X. So I have vertical angles. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 4, and angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. That's going to be my statement. My reason's going to be vertical angles are congruent. Anytime you see an X, you have vertical angles. Next, we have triangles ABC and DEC with DB the bisector of AE. So I see that word bisector, I'm going to circle it, and I know I have to write the definition for my reason. DB is bisecting AE. So whatever comes second is what's being cut into two congruent parts. So AC is congruent to EC. That's going to be my statement. And again, my reason is the definition of a bisector. A bisector creates two congruent parts.